We begin tonight with American cruise ship passengers trapped off the coast of Japan, heading back to the U.S. for more quarantine. The trip comes as China has reported a drop in new coronavirus cases for the third straight day. One of those passengers is a woman from Marysville, and KIRO 7's Ryan Sims spoke to her today about her new destination. Ryan.
Yeah, hey, Lindsay, she was supposed to arrive here at the cruise ship terminal in Seattle 2 weeks ago. Instead, she is now headed to an Air Force base in California, where she will be for another 14 days.
Having your freedoms taken away and you haven't done anything wrong, that's really hard to get your mind around.
Susan Annabelle's ordeal isn't over yet. Sure, she's back home on her way to the States, but it'll be far from the comfort of home sweet home.
You get emotional, sorry. You just want to go home and, hug your kids and get on with your life. And
tonight, she and hundreds of other Americans will be flown to Travis Air Force Base in California, located in between San Francisco and Sacramento. The base has been receiving a steady number of Americans since coronavirus evacuations began.
I would assume we'd have to have our own room if we're in quarantine so we don't spread it to anybody else if we have something.
According to NPR, each space has a clean bathroom, internet access, and a TV. The evacuees can leave their rooms and go outside for walks within a fenced-in area. Food me time is said to be provided 3 times a day. One evacuee even said she could order things online and have them delivered. That echoes the experiences of evacuees at March Air Force Base in California, where Americans are said to take Zumba lessons and have even had their taxes done.
Yeah, I'm tired of being under Japanese control, and it's kind of been, I don't know, I think it's been a science experiment for them too, so I'm tired of all that.
Susan is one of 380 Americans who will be arriving at Travis Air Force Base by Monday. She will likely be there until March 1st. Despite such an ordeal at sea, and it really has been an ordeal, get this, she says that her days of taking cruises, they're not spoiled. She will be on another cruise in the future. She's sure of that. She just is not so sure she wants to go on a cruise to Asia again. We're live at the Seattle cruise ship terminal tonight. Ryan Sims, KIRO 7 News.